2022 Dodge Challenger. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Get a fast and easy price quote today